Hey guys, this is Sky495 here reviewing a very practical item. This is a rubber ice mold tray. So these are really great, particularly because of the rubber bottoms, which allows you to discharge each of the ice cubes much easier as opposed to the older, just simple hard plastic where you have to kind of really bang on the tray to get the ice cubes out. And this one also comes with these lids, so it helps when you're actually filling up the trays with water so that there won't be any spillage. And it also really helps to be able to stack these on other things. You don't have to worry about also whatever nasty smells are in your fridge to get into your ice cubes as well. These trays come in a pack of 3 and each tray can hold up to 14 ice cubes. And altogether this package is just about $11 on Amazon, which I think is a great deal. So my main concern with these kinds of rubbery or silicone bottom ice cube trays is that the material silicone tends to trap in odors or flavors much more so than just the hard plastic. So what I did is I simply filled it up with water, froze it in the freezer, and once the ice cubes were completely frozen, I tried to go ahead and put it into my cup and then directly drink out of it. And also I directly tried to eat an ice cube too to see if there's any kind of funky flavors or anything like that, and I'm happy to report that there's nothing like that. One thing I noticed from using this is that if you were to, say, overfill these molds with water and then when they freeze over, the cubes kind of interconnect with each other. Just because you press down on the rubber bottoms doesn't mean they'll come out straight away. So at that point, you have to kind of break up the ice in between. But once they do, there's no problem with you pushing it out. It doesn't stick to the wall of the trays or anything like that, which is really great. But just a little word of advice, because I clearly made a mess of myself here, is that you probably want to pop out the ice cubes in less liquid or first in another cup or bowl before you actually put it in your drink, just so you can avoid this mess. So I have to say these are a fantastic choice if you're looking to make some ice, say for lemonade, for cocktails, what have you. If you don't have like an ice maker in your freezer or you just don't trust the ice that you make with your freezer, I think this is a great way to do so. I like to just fill my ice trays up with filtered Brita water, so that way I know I'm getting some fresh ice cubes and then I can just toss it in my drink whenever I want to. And both the tray and the lids are really easy to clean. They're even dishwasher safe, which is pretty darn great. But I personally always wash them by hand because I just don't really trust dishwashers. But it's nice that at least it's dishwasher safe. And I do really like that it includes the lids. That way you can really maximize the space in your freezer. So go ahead and pick them up. I'll put the link as usual in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Sky495, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Sky495. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Sky495. Thanks for watching.